My name is Steve. I was involved in a car accident back in 2022 and represented by David Carter. When the accident occurred, we pulled over on the side of the I-75. I thought the other driver had adequate insurance. As it turned out, they didn't, and the matter needed to be litigated. I was very, very happy to have David Carter representing me as the driver of the vehicle. There was a lot of things where there's a lot of hearsay, a he said, she said situation, and David was really able to bring out the differences of what happened and be able to make a very positive case regarding that. While I was seeking treatment, I was in a lot of pain that actually kicked in a couple days after the accident. And when I went to my doctor, he strongly recommended David Carter. He'd had a number of his clients referred to David and had such a good result. He pretty enthusiastically referred me to David Carter, which turned out to be a very, very good decision. The outcome of my case was really quite extraordinary. We'd had a lot of resistance from the other driver and his insurance company, and it was just David, really his relentlessness and fighting tooth and nail to negotiate our case, specifically my case as the driver. And there turned out to be quite a bit involved, actually. He was able to garner enough money to pay all the medical claims and then get me a sizable amount of money to take care of me as a result of this accident. Ultimately, the case went to trial. I was drawn in and had to testify. Because of the accident, the opposing side wasn't taking any responsibility whatsoever, and it was up to David Carter to really show what actually happened. And what was great about it was he really documented, had a professional slide presentation and some other items he used to demonstrate the accident, how it occurred. And if he hadn't have been so well prepared, I don't think this case would have gone as well as it did. Ultimately, it was evolved and very favorably for us. Well, having had to go to trial, and a result of the trial, the case that David put on to the jury was really exceptional. He broke everything down from very technical and then also converted that to some very simple and easy to follow construct of what happened. As a result of that, we got a very, very favorable trial, which really would not have happened if it hadn't been for the persistence. And I must say, the extreme preparation and professionalism made all the difference in this case. Well, as a result of the case, I would definitely refer Carter Law to anybody, friends and family. And as things have gone, I actually have already. And it's unfortunate when people get caught up and need this additional assistance when opposing parties don't take responsibility. But thank goodness there's people like David Carter and his firm where you can get on board with them and know you're going to be fairly represented, honestly represented, and with the full force of all of his knowledge and experience. It's really made a difference, and I would happily refer him as I have already.